Have you ever been cruising down the road? Maybe you're on your way to vacation or on a ride and your dreaded check engine light comes on your truck or car or whatever it is, and you aren't sure what to do. Can you keep driving it? What's going to happen? And there's never a dealer open. It always seems to me like it happens late at night or on a weekend, and you got to figure out what's wrong with your vehicle. I would highly recommend you check out a diagnostic code reader. Carry this with you, and then that way whenever your check engine light comes on while you're on the road, you can plug this into your OBD2 port and look up and see what's wrong with your vehicle, and you stand a chance of fixing it yourself without having to take it to a dealer. The other day I was going down the road and I had a code P00BD pop up, and it's basically an issue with airflow. I got to looking under the hood and I looked close to the air box, and what it was saying was wrong. And then I did a little bit more research and I went over to the cold air side, and I found out that the inlet tube was cracked, and that's what was causing my issue. So I ordered a new tube from Ford. The tube was about 130 bucks. If I would have had to take it to the dealer and have them do everything, it would have been quite a bit more, and I would have had to wait for my truck to get fixed, so it was a lot of downtime. I personally don't have time for my vehicle to be down because I use it every single day, so being able to check to see what's wrong with it with a diagnostic code reader is the way to go. So if you don't have one of these, I would highly recommend you get one. I just looked on Amazon and picked one up, and I saw the reviews on this one. This is an AD530, and it's an Ansel. And you can get these on Amazon, or you can go probably to an auto parts store. They probably carry these. I would highly recommend you get one of these because they will make a big difference for you whenever it comes to repairing your own vehicle, or maybe a family or a friend's vehicle that needs to get it looked at. So there you go, guys. Check this out. This may help you stay on the road for your adventures. I'll see y'all. Take care. Have a good one.